In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up BambooHR automated emails. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel inside your dashboard. And then from here, from the settings, we're going to go to email alerts, okay? So you want to go over here on the left and you want to scroll down, and here you have email alerts and you want to click on this tab. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to open up the email alerts. If you don't have any, like me, it's going to say it's sure is quiet, maybe too quiet. You want to click on add alert top right, and you want to select which alert or which automated email you actually want to set up. So there's benefits, there's celebrations, you have custom, employment, tasks, time off, and trading, okay? So there's a bunch of different ones. Select the one that's relevant for you. I'm just going to select this, for example, new hire over here. So I'm going to click on it. And then whenever you do this, it's going to prompt you to basically select who you want to send this to. So in my case, it's going to be, for example, full admin users over here, and then manager as well, okay? Then here you can customize your alert. For example, you can put in your email subject. This is optional. And then you can also give a custom message if you want to as well. Then here you can select who you want this, of course, alert to include. I'm going to set all employees, and I'm going to click on save. Now, whenever you do this, your email alert is going to be saved, as you can see over here, and there we go, it's now working. Now, some of these alerts are going to allow for more customization. So, for example, if I do a task reminder alert over here, it's going to allow me to, as you can see, select when you want to send this, so how many days before the due date. So we have to give it a name over here. I'm just going to type in task alert like this, and then here you can select if you want to send an alert on the due date, and then you have the option to also send many days before and set this, for example, 2 days before. You can send this 3 days before, and then like 4 and 5 as well, so each day. Or you could do weeks, months, and years as well, or you have before and after as well, okay? So of course, after you do this, you can select the time, and then of course the kind of time zone as well, and then you have the customizable subject and message too. Click on save, and it's going to basically select this and add it as a new email alert, and basically that way you can set up automated emails where emails will come in depending on what actions happen inside BambooHR, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.